Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about topic upstream and downstream related to exercise 3.6. So here upstream means what? Upstream means, just I am showing here this vibrated line. These things are actually I am showing here water level, and it is the direction of water flow or direction of the current of water, and it is the boat ship. So it is the boat movement, and boat movement is shown by direction, this direction. It is here written direction of movement of boat. So in this case, direction of movement of boat and direction of water flow, both are opposite to each other. So if the direction of movement of boat in still water means when the water level is remaining equilibrium position. That means when the water is flowing, but that speed of flow is negligible. That time that is called still water. That is called equilibrium position. When there is no wave in the water flow. Then that one is called equilibrium position. That means no wave. Like this, no wave is there. Just water flow is like this, flat. But that water is moving, but there is no wave. That is called still water. That means that is called equilibrium position. Then that time what is the speed of boat? And that speed is suppose u, and this speed or movement of boat is opposite to the direction of water flow. That means we can say current of water, both the direction opposite, so their speed also opposite to each other. So written, if the direction of movement of boat in still water is opposite to the direction of water flow, or we can say that current of water flow, then it is called upstream. That means that boat is moving in upstream. Upstream means both the directions are opposite to each other. So what is happening there in the upstream? Just now we want to see. So here speed of boat, suppose u, and speed of current, suppose speed of current, both are opposite to each other. That's why we have to give minus v. Therefore net speed of boat, or average speed of boat, and that one is equal to u plus bracket minus v. Then it will be u minus v. If you write here kilometer per hour, then here also write kilometer per hour. So just we are considering one example. Suppose that boat is moving with 80 kilometer per hour. and that water, current of water, that one is current of water, that one is suppose 30 kilometer per hour, which is opposite to each other. 30 kilometer per hour, which is opposite to each other. Therefore, net speed, that means by what speed that boat is actually moving forward. What is the actual speed of the boat when the water flow direction is opposite to the movement of the boat? That is what net speed. Net speed means actual speed of the boat is what? Actually that boat is not moving with 80 km per hour, but its effort is what? 80 km per hour, but it is actually not moving with 80 km per hour, because that 80 km per hour, it is decreased by the speed of water flow, because 80 km per hour is decreased by speed of water flow. How? Because it is u minus v, because u plus, that means minus v, that means u minus v, u plus here minus v, u minus v. So u value is what? 80 minus v value is 30. 80 minus 30, 50 kilometer per hour. It is the actual speed of the boat when that boat is moving on the water level, and that speed of the water level is 30 kilometer per hour, which is opposite to the movement of boat. So this speed is decreasing the speed of boat. So what is the net speed? What is the actual speed by which that boat is moving forward? So that is u minus v. U value is 80 and v value is 30. 80 minus 30 equal to 50. Actually that boat is moving with speed 50 km per hour in the water level. It is the case of upstream. Now we are going to discuss about downstream. Discuss about downstream in next video.